My name is Aluna Wijoyo and I work at the Australian Embassy in Jakarta. So I'm taking this training on emotional intelligence, and I think it's a very good training to take, not just for leaders, but also for all level of staff. Because the way I think it, I thought emotional intelligence was just about being nice, fluffy, and everything. Apparently, it's about being assertive and how to put yourself in any kind of situation. So I highly recommend this course for anyone who wants to learn more and who wants to have a better communication skills and being able to connect with people.
I like this course because it gives you to know yourself more, self-awareness, and also the social relationship that you can, how to interact with other people in your businesses or meeting new people for your businesses, also organization and daily life too in society. So you be able to control your emotion and understand more about the situation or events.
Hi, I'm Juna McGarvey. I'm from the New Zealand Embassy here in Jakarta. I am the Attaché and Vice Consul. I was really excited to do this course. I didn't really know what to expect, but I found Sean very engaging, and he's really clearly explained all of the different aspects of the course of emotional intelligence. A few of the key things for me, the self-management and being able to control the story, and the E plus equals O formula has probably been one of the key takeaways for me.
I'm Reimund. I am the Managing Director of PT in Indonesia. I think what we did here, we had a lot of exercises to do, yeah? So where we got engaged. For me, I personally, for example, yesterday I took one and say, okay, where we played this state of mind and then we become powerful through a positive state of mind. That was really impressive because honestly, I didn't believe that in the beginning. Yeah? So I am now a true believer. A positive state of mind gives you actually more power.
Hi, I'm Babu. I work with PT Mercedes-Benz Indonesia. So the session with KPI for emotional intelligence is very interesting and very resourceful for me. Like it helped me to balance my emotion quotient both in my professional life and my personal life. Thank you KPI for the chances and opportunity.
My name is Abbas, Mohamad Ali. I'm the head of sales in Adidas, and I would recommend everyone to take this course. It's something really important to sculpture our new generation of leaders. Thank you very much.